Often in the building industry, there's a misconception of what's meant by having a solid foundation. Many homeowners that are looking to build custom think of this as the placement of concrete, the footings, the stem, and the slab. However, as builders, we understand that the most critical component to a good foundation is starting with the dirt work. It's absolutely imperative that we get a geotechnical engineer to certify our pad, over-X the building footprint so that we can be able to start fresh with no voids, no hiccups, so that we can continue to build masterpieces for our clients, no matter the scope or the scale of the building and custom home that they desire.